Read, talk, play, sing, create. Read, talk, play, sing, create. Read, talk, play, sing, create.
Moonshot, we're going to play a matching game.
I love matching games.
Okay, now we have dominoes here, and I need for you to point to the domino that has one dot.
That one has one dot.
Good. Now, find another one that looks just like that one.
That matches?
That matches that one dot.
It's the same, you mean?
It's the same.
This one has one dot, too.
Yes. Is there another one that has one dot?
Yeah, there's another one that matches.
Good
It's the
job, Moonshot. Can you find the domino that has 3 dots?
Let's see here. Oh, this one has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, can you find one that looks exactly like it?
That
matches it.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one also has 3. So they're like the same, so they
They
match.
Yes, Moonshot. Good job.
The Learning Alliance and our Moonshot community partners thank you for being a Moonshot family, where you read, talk, play, sing, and create with your child.